Hello guys, I am Sharif Ahmed. I am from Bangladesh. For the first time I am in live now. I would like to thank everyone. Thank you all for supporting me. Especially I would like to thank Myanmar, Filipina, Nepal and Bangladeshi peoples because I have huge member of that countries. Today I am going to share a good news. I think I should create some special class for speaking Korean language. But it is a matter so that I have 10 or 13 countries peoples. They have different language. So I decide to use English language. So I want to know which countries member are more. So please comment your country. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Never miss update.